Well, good morning to you. This is Sunday the 22nd of May. I've come to the intersection at the Dong Nguyen intersection. This is the Samung Road and the 121, the Canal Road. I've come to see what the water's like in the tunnel underneath. You'll be amazed. There is no water in the tunnel underneath, despite the fact we've had so much rain, and all the water is in the canal in the middle. Well, where did it go? If the water level of the canal in the middle, the Chlong, is higher than the road each side of it, where's that water gone? I can't hear any pumps generating or, generate any suction or... That's amazing. What a wonderful feat of engineering. Well, I've stopped off at Doi Lo, which is really special for birders because you get many types of birds in this area. It's a flat land that goes all the way through across here. The ping is over the other side of those trees there. Everywhere along the Canal Road extension, the 3035 down to the 108, both sides of the road are fairly flooded. If I stopped and took photos or videos of everything I saw, I'd never get to my destination, but suffice to say that it's quite heavily flooded. It's quite severe. The roads, though, are very passable. But here at Doi Lo, this field, it's typically a rice field, and today it's become a fish pond for this guy. He's got his net out there and he's taking in the fish in his bowl. And the orchards on the far side there are inundated, as are so many fields and orchards all the way down the road coming here from my home. So many farmers are going to lose their crops that they've planted up so early this year, and it's not just the rice, it's the vegetables they grow. It's it's the onions and the garlics and the... What's that rustling there? The onions, the garlics and the corns and all of that is just wasted because of all of this rain that we've had. It is a lot of rain, and today the sun's coming out, and I don't think it's going to actually rain today because there's a blue sky over there. Isn't that wonderful? Incidentally, if you're not a subscriber or you don't check out my other channel, please do. It's called Chiang Mai Weather Today. It just shows my bird table that I feed birds at every day, and it shows the sky and really a sample of the weather on a daily basis. I'll leave a link above and also below. Well, now I've come down the ping at Doi Lo. This up here is the Doi Lo temple. So this guy here is just moving this sluice up slightly. Swaddy Cup. Very important job. A man with his finger on the pulse. Wow. All that rubbish in there. All of this is just rubbish, and once again an awful lot of polystyrene. Well, now I'm on the other side of the river and I'm in Lampun. The other side is Chiang Mai, and I'm going to look at this with the sun behind me. Isn't that lovely? That smooth, full flow of water. Come to Mae Klang, the waterfall entrance. The park entrance is just there. You pay an exorbitant amount of money and you go and see the waterfalls up the way. They're cascades a bit like this, and there's a larger waterfall. Recently in Facebook I've seen a lot of people posting about the amount of water coming over these cascades. Well, these sad businesses here are suffering yet again from being inundated with water. The water comes down and just washes all of their salas away. And look at this huge tree that's come down. Look at, this is the root here, and the trunk's going up that way. An amazing amount of rubbish has come down. I think this must be table number 7. Hate to think where the other 6 have gone to. What a beautiful morning. It's now 9 o'clock and the sun is warming up the air and the bugs are singing, and it doesn't feel anything like the last few days. We've had just that constant rain. How lovely is this? I mean, this tree here is what, 10, 20, good 30 metres long. Well, this lady on the left hand side here, she's quite lucky she's not been washed away. Anything on the right side here has been well and truly washed away. So there we go, 300 baht, and I pay 300 baht to walk a few hundred meters up there and see the waterfall. Oh, nobody wants to take my money. That's good then. up there for all you lovers of the Mae Ping, like me. Oh, oh, nalak. Chani, Chami. Wow, getting back. Well, this lady is casting just in beside the bank here, and she's just pulled out several small fish into that little basket there. It's almost like the coast here, isn't it? The waves lapping up. Let's see what she catches this time. Oh, another one. Anyway, I'm going to progress on down the Ping, the Mae Nam Ping, and we're going to go and see the confluence of where the Mae Nam Ping meets the Mae Klang. So the waterfall that we saw earlier meets this river. It's got a lovely little sign tucked around the corner here, look. Viewpoint. There's a big conifer in the way. And a lovely little seating area. Well, this is a lovely quiet spot. Across the way is where the Mae Klang joins the Ping. So coming from right to left is the Ping, and over the far bank there, Mae Klang. That's the 108 up the top there. That traffic in the distance. With all the overgrowth of the orchard here, you can't actually see anything more spectacular than that. So best take an aerial view, I guess.